Hello. So we are going to work on a simple daily practice called relief from stress. You can do this in under 9 minutes. It's a simple 9-minute meditation practice, and it helps to rewire the system to take stress out of your life. Okay? It's quite simple and yet very, very effective. So the way that it's going to work is this. The right hand is going to be moving from the level of your belly button to the level of your nose. So we're kind of clearing the frequency between this area of the body, okay? The left hand is just relaxed. Within a minute, we're going to clench the fist of the left hand. So what we're doing here is we're actually using the hemispheres of the brain, of the body, to rewire the glandular system. The squeeze of the left hand tells the glandular system to activate, and this hand tells the glandular system to relax, okay? And through these systems, we're sending messages to the pituitary gland to communicate with the pineal gland, to communicate with the rest of the body, to, hey, chill the heck out. Yes? It's that simple. So coordinate your breath accordingly. This particular practice helps to regulate the psyche of the heart, which actually science shows has its own electromagnetic field separate than our whole physical body. So there's a really, really great, simple, energetic practice to create self-adjustment. Okay, we ready? Let's do it. So this hand is just relaxed right now in the lap, just right here, and then soon we're going to clench it into a fist. This hand, the hand stays even at the wrist, and we're going from the navel point up to the nose, as rapidly and fast as you can with a strong sense of purpose. Eyes are closed, looking at the center of your chin. So eyes are closed, imagining the center of your chin. And let's begin. Be precise. Make sure you're moving from the navel point up to the nose. They're not flinging wildly. Your hand isn't all over the place. It's very precise. From the nose up to the navel point, down. Make sure you're finding a breath rhythm. Tighten the left hand into a fist. Keep it at the lap and keep moving the right arm up and down. Don't get lost. Stay steady. Move quickly. Move powerfully. Don't stop. Just move the hand from the navel point up to the nostril. You can do it. And looking at the center of your chin. If your mind is wandering, acknowledge the thoughts and let them pass, bringing your attention back to the breath. Wrist is straight. Arm is moving from the elbow up and down. Forearm is moving. You're almost there. Inhale. And exhale. Take a few breaths. Let the body settle. Okay, next exercise. The left hand is facing down, the right hand is facing up. We're balancing the heavenly and earthly energies of our system. And we're just going to simply bounce a ball in each of the hands going up and down in a nice, even, rhythmical approach. Make sure you find a breath rhythm that works, and it is a very powerful movement. We're balancing the earthly and heavenly elements within us at our own command. Good. And continue. Strong, steady movement. Stay planted to connect to the earth. Keep the spine long, keep the chin in, keep the shoulders back. Simple movement with the hands up and down, bouncing a ball in each direction. Eyes closed, go inside. Inhale. And exhale. The last exercise, right hand goes over the left hand, resting right on top, right at the heart center. Elbows are out, and you're simply just going to bend your left ear to your left shoulder, come back to center, bend your right ear to your right shoulder, and come back to center. This allows the neck to start adjusting itself. Keep a nice, slow, and sustained rhythm. Make sure you're breathing along the way. Beautiful. You're going to inhale, stretch the hands all the way up, spread the fingers wide, hold the breath, and tighten all the muscles in your body. Squeeze all the muscles as you stretch upwards. Squeeze and stretch. Fingers wide. Inhale, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Keep holding the breath. Squeeze all the muscles from the seat to the toes, your inner thighs, your lower back, your abdomen, your fingers. Stretch, squeeze. Squeeze the chest, squeeze the face, squeeze the lips. Squeeze. Keep inhaling. Hold the breath. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. We're telling the pituitary gland and the glandular system to do the best. The body works to come to balance, and the body chemistry will change. Hold it, hold it. Inhale more. Stretch. Beautiful. Exhale. Release the breath. Release the posture. Rest with the palms up. Try to keep the spine long. Try not to collapse. Take a few breaths, let the body adjust. This is when the magic happens. You do the work through the exercises, and when you break, the body has this rearranging capacity. It starts to settle itself, regenerate itself, regulate itself, recalibrate itself. This is how you're designed. You're designed for the body to put itself back into balance. So just breathe and allow. You've done the work. All you have to do now is let it flow and let it go. All that stress, the body knows what to do with it when you allow the parasympathetic nervous system to self-correct. All right, inhale deeply. Exhale, shake it on out. And there you have it, your 9-minute meditation practice for relieving stress.